Mr. Christian, you have, you can remain seated, that's actually fine. So you have the right to testify in your own defense. That's an absolute right. So that's a right that you make with the assistance of your attorneys, but it's ultimately your decision. And when you give that right up, that's a very important right to give up. So I should, are you feeling clear-headed, like you understand everything, making good decisions for yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Is there anything interfering with your ability to make decisions for yourself?
I don't have any. My biggest issue is if I end up going to prison, I'm open to, I'm in prison, I testify. It opens up a can of worms. That's my main decision, possibly.
Okay, so
that's my biggest issue.
For personal reasons, that's the reason you're making the choice.
That's my main reasoning.
And
there are other reasons I've decided not to be discussed.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's my main reason.
Okay, so was there any? Did anyone coerce you or into making that decision?
No, not at all.
And were there, Mr. Scholl, were there any factors, Mr. Christian's wearing chains, for instance, ankle chains during this trial? They've been secured from the jury, so we've had a skirt over the table for the entire time that the jury's been present. Were there any, did that or any other physical situations with Mr. Christian's testimony factor into that decision?
They did not factor into his decision. Those are factors that Mr. Smith and I discussed, and specifically the place in the courtroom where he would testify and some other things we were prepared to litigate, understanding the court and counsel had sort of brought that subject up. We did not talk to Mr. Christian specifically about where he would testify. One, because I expected he would testify from the witness stand, and two, we talked about whether or not he wanted to testify first, and if he had decided he was going to testify, then we would have gotten into that subject and talked to him about what our position was going to be regarding mechanically how that testimony was going to take place.
Okay, and so did the fact that you're wearing ankle chains affect your decision whether you wanted to testify or not?
No.